Good morning, everyone. All right, so today is Wednesday, December the 12th, you guys. We're almost halfway to Christmas. Okay, I guess by technically 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. today, we'll be halfway to Christmas. So, hope everyone has had a good start to their week. I know I have. It's been a little hectic, a little busy, just dealing with some random BS, but you know, what is life without it, right? So today is fairly easy breezy. Don't have too much going on, just a couple of little things that just kind of check off my list, but nevertheless should be a routine day, nothing super major. And do have to make sure I call our garage company today, and I need to do that sooner rather than later, because like every morning, like it's freezing, okay, like it's so cold, but like our garage, I just don't know what's wrong with it. And I mean, our house isn't that old, so not really sure what's going on, but like if it's really hot and sunny, the garage won't shut. Really cold, the garage won't shut. So legit, I open it, I back out, hit the button, it does nothing. So I have to get out, go into the garage, hold the button down the whole time while it's shutting, go through the house and go out the front or back door and then get in the car. And today makes the second time in the last week and a half that I have gotten out of my car, gone into the garage to shut the garage, gone through the house, gone out one of the front or the back doors, locked them, came out, got back into my car just to look over to see that the garage is still open. So I did that today. So then I had to go and do all that again, but this time make sure I actually shut the garage. So the garage company is getting a phone call from me this morning to see if they can tell me what's going on, what we need to do. Do we need to get a new garage? Do we just need to fix a part? Do we need to get a new sensor? What's going on? Because I can't keep doing this shit. So, but anyways, all right, headed into work, headed into the office. Gonna try and have a productive morning. Hope people don't get on my nerves. And we'll be great. All right, guys, checking with you at lunchtime. Hey guys, what's up? Just got home from work and I had 2 packages on the front porch, one of which I'm gonna be recording a separate video with, and it will probably upload probably Friday. And the other was this. Yep, my candles from the candle sale finally came in. All right. Oh, it just smells heavenly. Y'all, I got like 15 candles because that was the limit on the website. So I got a full 15. And let's see here. I love these little cases, these little cartons. What is this? Oh, pumpkin pecan waffles, white mint latte, marshmallow fireside. These are like the best. Those are all. I don't even know where I'm gonna keep these this year. Cinnamon caramel swirl. Okay, this is what I'm lighting right now. Like, I don't even, let me smell it. Yep, that's what I'm lighting right now. I'm not even gonna go through all these right now because this would take forever. So I'm gonna sit them all out and then I'll take you through them all one by one. All right, so here are the candles that I received, and I'm so bummed because I told you all that there was a limit of 15 when you ordered online, and I got a note inside saying that 2 of them could not be shipped. So I'm a little pissed because I feel like they should have told me that sooner and asked me if I wanted 2 others in its place, because now they're not $8 anymore. So I don't know how I feel about that, Bath & Body Works. I feel like you owe me 2 more candles. So we've got cinnamon caramel swirl, vanilla bean Noel, marshmallow fireside, winter candy apple Patron. Back up, buddy. Pumpkin pecan waffles, peppermint marshmallow, white mint latte, iced cran apple. And then we've got a twisted peppermint. We've got a banana split milkshake. And maple cinnamon pancake. A pistachio ice cream. And a twisted peppermint. So excited. Hold on guys, my phone's ringing. Alright, so I'm downstairs in my little office slash beauty room slash filming studio, whatever we want to call it. And I'm getting ready to shoot a video real quick. So thought I would bring you all down here with me. Should we do a little tour real quick? No, well, I don't know. I think I'm gonna save a tour for another video, just a dedicated video, because I think it deserves its own video. So hang tight, your girl's getting ready to shoot a video real quick, and I'll be back. So I just got changed and finished filming my video, and now I just sat down to my computer and I'm about to start editing. So I've got 2 videos to edit. I've got this one that you're watching now and the one that I just recorded. So I'm gonna have one up tomorrow and the other up on Friday. Well, actually on Friday you'll have 2 videos. One for Vlogmas and then the one that I recorded. So I think that's it for the day. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish editing these videos. Wait for Justin to get home. He's bringing home dinner tonight. He's at the gym right now. And then I'm going to take a hot shower and just kind of relax, get my thoughts together, process some things, get ready for tomorrow, and yeah, hit it again because I've got a busy day tomorrow. I've got a couple of deadlines that I really need to hit, so it'll be busy, but that's okay because your girl loves to hustle, okay? But anyways, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments, are y'all liking Vlogmas or what? Like, talk to me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. And guess what? I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, okay? Bye!